How to get golden rainbow trees. You can actually get golden and rainbow trees in Grow a Garden. Multiple people have shown these pictures. There is the rainbow trees and there is some golden trees right here. You can see that it looks pretty cool. So the golden trees only grow golden crops and the rainbow trees only grow rainbow crops. Isn't that amazing? Alright guys, so if you do want a super seed, okay, I'll be gifting one of these super seed to you guys, because this is pretty much the reason why the trees are golden or rainbow. Let's actually quickly check the stock. There is nothing in the stock, maybe some tomatoes, but anyways, if you want the super seed, comment down below super, and I'll be choosing three winners for a super seed. And if you actually put down the super seed, you'll be getting a rainbow tree or a golden tree. So that's pretty much how you get the golden or rainbow trees. Right now I am tomato stacking, okay, this is my tomato stack right here. Bang, tomatoes, look how many I have. So I have compacted my farm into this small, this small bush. You can barely even see through this thing, okay? You can barely even see through this thing. So many crops. I have to also put a watering station over here so it grows even faster. Yeah, this is dense, okay? This is very dense. This is very dense. We got a couple of pumpkins, pumpkin over here, pumpkin over there, maybe a dragon fruits, and then we have the coconut tree up in the dragon tree. We're combining these trees together. Anyways, the giant apple tree is here. Giant apple tree, okay? Giant apple tree. Like the video, subscribe, or it will not work.